so people know what you're talking about. We have
so I'll put my finger in there for reference.
with this piece of aluminum, we've got all these perfectly spaced holes. So I have one there. How do I get all the others there? So what I'm going to do is use this as a template or a little jig. Drill out each hole, and then all of them will match up.
So here you're drilling out the old rivets.
Mm-hmm. Four nicely spaced holes, and we'll get a file to knock that down. Wow. So now that we got our piece done, I put Eternabond all in the back of it, and what I'm going to do, got to peel the Eternabond. We're going to center it up first using the middle holes, and then we'll drill these holes and finish putting it on the Airstream. Put it in there like that after I peel the back off, and we're just going to rivet it in. So far we've gotten the main bracket that is riveted in. Now we're going to rivet in the rest of the patch. We got the Eternabond back behind it as a sealant. Sort of press it and make sure we got a good contact seal all over there. The sealant I'm using is 3M 5200. Don't know if that's good or bad, but I know that it seals up boats, so it ought to seal up a rivet pretty good. Just need a little bit. All right, now that we got it all bolted up, this is the finished product. Got it patched up, sealed up, and all riveted. Shouldn't have any issues.